Are you stuck with a pending Discord friend request you can't resend? Learn how to clear it and send a new one in under a minute. First, we'll locate and cancel the old pending request, then send a fresh one with the exact username. First, open up Discord on your computer or in your browser. Then, click on the Friends tab in the left sidebar. Now, click on the Pending tab to see your pending friend requests. Find the old request and click the X to cancel it. Once that's done, click the Add Friend button to start a new request. Type the exact username of the person you're adding. Finally, click Send Friend Request, and that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.